Hello and welcome to another update video about Algorand. So Algo might have started this wave 2 correction here recently together with some of the other coins that don't look very good long term, but obviously were still, let's say, allowed to have a substantial rally in their wave 2 correction. Again, with these coins which produce lifetime downtrends, they just don't have a very good prospect outlook long term. They can still go to all-time highs, I always have to say that. It's just that from a risk management point of view, we first need to deal with the bearish scenario. But it doesn't make a difference if it's now rallying in wave 2 in a correction or in something more bullish. Short term, it doesn't make a difference at all. We, however, need to be watching for the relevant pivots and resistance levels along the way, especially up there, the $1.33 level. Only a sustained break above that level, which is still a very common retracement for this wave 2, which is the yellow and bearish wave count. So this is going to be a key level. If we see a break above that, it would be too large for a wave 2 basically, and the wave 2 would then likely not play out, and something more bullish is going to be at play. Okay, but in the short term, it doesn't matter. I mean, even a rally simply into the resistance area would be over 100%. And if we talk about up there, I mean, we're talking about 800%. I mean, first we need to see if we get into the resistance area anyway. The first deeper pullback will likely tell us the truth. That's going to be probably this B wave pullback, which could then result in a C wave rally of a larger A wave with a larger B wave pullback and a C wave up. The reason for that is that an A wave, so first of all, if the assumption is correct and we are in a wave 2, then the wave 2 is likely unfolding as an ABC structure. Now an A wave is oftentimes a 3-wave move. It can be a 5-wave move, absolutely, but I always like to assume it's an ABC because especially in situations in which we have a very choppy and uncertain market still, because an A wave in 3 waves indicates that we just have to be watching for corrective structures. It just keeps you on your toes. And it's good to expect deep pullbacks even if they don't come, because it just keeps you on your toes and you're very much focused on risk management. It's going to be a rocky road up there. And first of all, we need to see if in any pullback it's holding a higher low, which would be important for that B wave. Okay, so haven't got a very clear micro count. So at the moment, it seems to me as if this A wave is still running. I just talked to you about the A wave being an ABC structure, so it is very much possible that, one second, I just need to check the low, which was here. So it is very much possible that this move up here is again only an ABC structure of wave A. Again, similar to ADA, this move down doesn't look complete. On the ADA chart also, the last wave down was just in 3 waves. So it doesn't really look complete. However, I have to say here, actually, that's okay because the move down was an ending diagonal. It's just that this looks very short. Okay, looks very short. So I'm not confirming yet that a lasting low is in, absolutely not. But we are tracking the uptrend as we do it for most other coins. Again, the first deeper pullback will tell us the truth. And whatever Algo is doing, it should not drop below the 78.6 retracement level anymore. That would be the current wave B support at 9.7 cents. Any sustained break below that level will likely send us back towards a new bear market low. Until then, I focus on higher, but I'm very much open to the idea that at some point here a pullback should occur in a B wave before a C wave rally can continue, form a larger A wave, B down, C up. The count is likely to change a few times. That just has to happen due to the corrective nature of this rally. ABC structures, or actually corrections in Elliott wave in general, they can easily morph and change. There are more than, I think, 10, 12 corrective structures that are in the Elliott wave system or library, you could say. And, all these corrective waves, A, B, they can take all of these, most of these at least. And therefore, we always have to be on our toes, be able to change the wave count on a shorter time frame. But overall, the idea of an ABC structure here should stay intact. So the next main Fibonacci resistance and also target for this wave 2 is at 32.4 cents. That's my update about Algo. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.